Welcome guys to this brand new video, and this video is going to be about how to set up a bandwidth control or QoS setting in our Tenda router. So let's get started without further delay. First of all, make sure you are connected to your internet. So I'm currently showing you from this laptop, and I'm going to limit the speed range in my mobile device. So open any browser and head to your router admin page with the IP address listed just at the back of a router and the default username and password. You can get these things at the back of your router. So let me log into my router. So after you logged in, click on advanced. Now here you can see an option called QoS, which means a bandwidth control. But first of all, before doing it, we have to go to this advanced and then go to this DHCP solver client. This is my device, which is Redmi Note 9, and this is my current IP address, which is 192.168.0.100. So you have to copy this or remember this. Next up, you have to click on this IP address and click the full IP address, that is 192.168.0.100 for the device you want to set the speed control, and make sure you put the MAC address which is given here 4A73 FE88A2043. So I have entered the MAC address here. What I have done is, whenever I connect to this internet, I will be connected with the same IP address all the time. So I am clicking on add, and now it's done. So next up, you have to go to QoS and click on enable. Now we have to put the IP address of your static device, that was 192.168.0.100. Now I want just to limit the download speed, so I'm going to click on here. Since I need kilobyte per second value, I need to convert it into corresponding megabits, so that I can know what is the value of the corresponding 40 Mbps in kilobits per second. So I will be using ChatGPT for this. So here I have source value of 40 Mbps and 50 Mbps in kilobytes per second. So that is 40 Mbps is equal to 5000. So let me give it here 5000, and yes, 6250. You can also make like it like 6000. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to click on enable and add to list, and then OK. So now my speed limit for this device, that is my mobile, has been set, and my mobile is always get the priority of 40 to 50 Mbps. Now I would like to show you just by speed test that my internet speed is around 40 to 50. So I am connected to mesh topology, and I am going to click on go. Let's wait for the result. So here you can see my download speed is 42 Mbps, which is in the range of 40 to 50 Mbps, which means our setting is perfectly working.